Hi, I'm Paul Brodie. We're back. Last episode we worked on the ignition system mounting on the Cub. This is the system right here, electrics, made in the UK. And the plate that mounts it, it's got lumps and bumps in the wrong spaces. And also, see these slots? See how big they are? I'm going to use 5mm screws to hold it in. So this can be made smaller. So that's what we're doing right now. We got a piece of 1/4 inch, 6061, I think. I went to the metal place, ABC Metals, and I haven't been there before in Langley, and he tells me that it's 6061, so I put here 6061, I'm told. We're going to cut out a circle here. We're going to do some machining. And what we did last time was we cut this down. That fits over like that, but it all gets hollowed out. This is the plate that's going to fit on top. So we got lots going on. So first of all, we're going to go to the bandsaw. We're going to cut that circle out. Then we'll go off to the lathe. We're going to bore the hole. We'll turn the OD. And then at least we have a start. So let's continue. We're going to punch a big hole here. We're going to make this hole the same size as this hole here because we're making another plate. It's 2.480. There we go. That one looks great. Zero. I'm going to flip the jaws around now. These are outside. They need to be flipped so we can hold the inside, and then I'm going to machine the OD to the right size, which is 5 inches. And then that's a good first part of making this piece. I put cardboard in here because these jaws are going to make marks if I don't put the cardboard there. So it's just a little machinist touch. Let's see what happens. All right, so I'm taking too big a cut, and the cardboard doesn't want to hold it when I've got this much space. So, see if I did any damage. Well, it made a little mark there, not bad. Okay, so that's not going to work. We can't use the cardboard there. Didn't like that. We have to not use cardboard. Okay, that's a good start for the ring that holds the ignition. Let's go work on the actual mount. Okay, this is the top side. It made a mark when it moved in the chuck. Look at that. We're going to hide that somewhere so no one can see it. I have to figure out where not to cut. This is where the chain tensioner goes. So I want to leave that full size because this is going to fit in there. That's how that's going to go. That's going to go right inside there like that. So we need to leave, I want to leave, maybe I'll leave a bit extra there. And then I want to be able to hold this on the chuck inside, so I need some wall thickness. So I'm going to take off metal up to here. So I can take off all of this here. I can probably take off an inch. So leave about half an inch, like about that. That's about what I want to leave on there. And then once that's down and I've taken this, then I take half an inch off of this. I want to take half an inch off here because this part here, it's raised up about almost half an inch. From here to here is almost half an inch higher. So what I'm trying to do here is to make it so that this fits onto there, and then I'm going to center up with a dial indicator onto that face there. That's the oil seal face, and then I can bore this hole, and then I know that this hole is accurate with the case and the bearing and the crankshaft, all that stuff. So it's a process of taking off metal so that it fits on here, and then I can use the case to set up this for machining. It's a bit of a complex job. I kind of took on a lot here, but it's good. So I hope you're following along quite well. Let's go to the mill. So I'm just going to make a little indent so I know where I am for a half inch. That was a lot of milling, and we're not finished either. Sometimes it's handy to have cardboard, so I'm going to put the cardboard in here, and then I can make a mark of where. See here, here's my little issue going on right here now. On this one here, that goes into here, I can easily have that up on the rotary table and take a cut down to there. That's easy. On this one here, I need to have all this here because that's where the chain tensioner is going to go. So I can't take it down anymore. But it only has to fit in from this red mark around to this red mark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back on like that. And then I can make a mark on the cardboard. And then this is going to tell me, okay, that's way over there. Something like that. I have to transfer it over now from side to side. There you go. Okay, so that one goes to right there. And this one goes to right here. So basically, I can cut right around there and then take a small cut here so that makes a good circle. Because that's what I'd like to do now. I'd like to make these fit into there, and then I can see that I also have to do, you see here how this cuts around there? When I put this on here, you see how it's hitting? I need to take away some metal there as well. So that's bandsaw. This is the mill. Let's do the milling right now so that we can, it'll look good to have this done. Okay, we have the mount for the ignition up in the mill, up in the rotary table, and with this turns around like that. We're going to mill this down so that it fits inside here. Can you see that circle? I know the size. This is going to be a smidge smaller, so it just goes in. So here we go. We'll add some oil. And it's a process of just going round and round, taking small cuts. I got some square edges to knock off first, so there we go, starting to cut. So I got it set for 688 and the actual size is 690. Depends how I hold it. That's close. I hope you've enjoyed your time in the shop here. We have. Thanks for watching. We like coffee. If you buy us coffees, much appreciated. We're going to finish this up next week. See you then. Stay safe.